how to solve the Rubik's Cube without any algorithms, which are letters. Before we get into the tutorial, make sure to check out JPerm's channel because he uses the same method that I'm going to be teaching in this video. So, yeah. So let's get into the video. The first step of solving the Rubik's Cube is solving the cross with aligning the colors of the edges. Let me show you. Just like this. We're going to solve the white cross with aligning the colors, the centers here. To do that, we need to collect every white edge piece around the yellow center piece so we can move it down to make this. You're going to understand when I show you. So let's take a look at where we have white edge pieces. So we have one here. So to put it here, we just need to move it upwards like this. If it's like this at the bottom, you just do this and then you do this. If there's already a white edge piece here, you can't just move it upwards like this because it's going to move this away. You just move this away and then put it back up. So we have another one right here. As I told you, we can't just move it upwards because we're going to move this away. We just have to do this and then that. So now we have 3 of them. Now, if it's way at the bottom, like this one, we just need to move it upwards 2 times. Just like that. Now we have the daisy. Now we'll put all these white edges next to white centerpiece. So we can't just move it down 2 times like that. We are not aligning them. We will do it like this. Here's the white edge piece and the color here is red, so we'll move it to the red centerpiece like that. Now we'll do that. There. So this is already here. This too. And now this too. But if it was here or here, we would just align it. Now, we've successfully done the white cross with aligning the colors. Second step is to put white corner pieces to its place, and so to complete the full white face. To do that, we're going to look for corner pieces that contain white. So we have one here. We'll look if it's in the correct place. Let's see. White, orange, blue, and white, green, orange. No, it's not. So we're going to move it here. White, orange, blue. White, orange, blue. Yes, it is in the right spot. So now we're going to do these 4 moves to bring it down. Right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. So now it's not there, so we're going to keep repeating it. So we're going to put it here. Right side up. Here it is. It's in the correct spot with the colors matching. Now, here's another one. So it's not in the correct place, as we can see. Still not. Still. Now it is. So we're going to hold it like this and do the same thing to put it here. Right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Now we keep repeating it. Now here it is. Now we'll do the same thing to these 2. And if you're looking for white corner pieces at the top and there isn't any, you'll look at the bottom, and now here it is. To just bring it back up, you just do the same 4 moves. Right side up, upside left, right side down, upside right. Just like that. Now I have it. You keep repeating those 4 moves now. So we've completed the white face with matching all the colors. So yeah. The third step is putting the edge pieces to the right place. And to do that, you're gonna look for edge pieces like these, but not this, because it has yellow. You look for something like this, which doesn't have yellow. When you see an edge piece but it contains yellow, you're not gonna take that one. When it doesn't contain yellow, then you're gonna take that one. Now you're gonna look at the color in the front. It's green, so we're gonna move it right here. It's green. So now we're gonna look at the color on the top. It's orange. Orange is not here. Orange is on the right. So if it's in the right, we do this. We move this away from the right side. Now, because we're putting it in the right side, we're gonna do the right mover, just like you did that. Now we'll do the left mover, which goes like this. The same thing as the right mover, but with the left side. Left side up, upside right, left side down, upside left. Now here we have it. Now we'll do the same thing with the others. This has yellow, so we're not going to take this one, but this doesn't, and it's also in the right colors, right spot. So we look on the color on the top. It's blue. So blue's, again, it's on the right, so we move it away from the right side, like that. Now we do the right mover. We rotate it, and then we do the left mover. Now we have it. Again, and now we have this edge piece that doesn't contain yellow, which is the edge piece we need. Now we look at the color on the front. It's red, so we move it to the red side. Now we look at the color at the top. It's green, and the green is on the right side, so we do the same thing. We move it away, right mover. Now rotate it. Now the left mover. Now we have it. Now we have another edge piece here. We're gonna move it to the correct spot, and we're gonna look at the color on the top. It's red. It's not on the right this time. It's on the left. So we move it away. It's the same thing, but the opposite. We move it away from the left side here. Now we do the left mover because we're gonna insert it in the left side. Now rotate it here because not here because we're inserting it here. Now the right mover. Here we have it. And if the piece is not in the correct place and it doesn't match, you just insert any edge here, so it's gonna come out, and we can just insert it just like normal, like I taught you. And now we've completed the first 2 layers. The next step is to make the yellow cross, so it's actually pretty easy. We look at the patterns now on the yellow. Now we have this pattern. If you have this pattern, like the curved pattern, like that, you bring it right here, the top part on the front, and now it should be like that, and the down part on the right. And now you move 2 layers at a time. You do the right mover. You put it back up. Now you have the yellow cross. So we'll have another second pattern, which I like to call it an I, the letter I. So you're not gonna hold it like the letter I, but you're gonna hold it like this. It's just a long yellow thingy. Now you're gonna do this. You're gonna move this front side down, right, like to the right. And now you do the right mover. You move it back up. Now you have the yellow cross. The next step is to align the colors with the centerpiece like that. See all four sides aligned. To do that, you want to align first at least 2 colors at the same time. Now we have this red already aligned and no other colors aligned, so we're going to move it again. Now we have 2 colors aligned, and that's a good thing we need. And if 2 colors are aligned like this diagonally, you're going to hold it like this, one on the right and one on the back. And then now you're going to move this 2 layers out like that. And then you're going to move this part down. And now you're going to move it again. And now you're going to move this part up. And now move this part back 2 times, which is, and back down. And now, if we can see, if we align it, we have all the colors matching. And you'll have another case which 2 colors are aligned vertically to each other, like this, vertically, opposite to each other. And now we're gonna hold it like this, one in the front, one in the back, and then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna move this out like that. We're gonna move this down, and then we're gonna move it away like this again. Now we're gonna put it back down, like we're gonna move this up, now back, and then down. And now we have this case, which these 2 are aligned, so we're gonna hold it like this and do the same thing. And now all of them are aligned. Now in this step, we'll be matching the corners and like putting it into its own place. Like this one is not in its own place because this is yellow, red, green, and this part is yellow, blue, and red, so it's not going to work. This two, this two, this two. To match them, we need to have one corner matching, so we're going to move it like that. Now this is matching, this is not. This is matching too, and this is not. So we're gonna move it again because we need one corner piece matching. This is not matching, this is not matching, this is not matching, and this is not matching. We're gonna move it again. This is matching, this is not matching, this is matching, and this is not matching. So now, as we can see, we didn't have only one corner piece matching. We either are having no piece matched or 2 of them. So it's okay. You're gonna take the one which matches and put it in the right front, and then do this. Move the upside left, right side up, upside right, left side up, and now do the same thing, but you're gonna move it downwards. Upside left, right side down, upside right, left side down. And now this is matched, this matches, this doesn't, and this matches. So let's see. No, it doesn't, it does, and this doesn't. Now we have only one corner piece matching. We'll do the same thing. We're gonna put it in the front right side, and then do the same thing. The upside left, right side up, upside right, left side up, we're gonna do the same thing, but move it downwards again. Like that. And now this is matching, this is matching, this is matching, and this is matching. Now the final last step, we're gonna just solve the cube. We're gonna just move everything upside down, and now do the 4 mover on every corner. So now we have this corner here, so we're gonna hold it like this. Now set up left, down. Now we're gonna repeat until it comes down here. It already did. And now we're gonna do the same thing with others, but we're not gonna rotate it, because if you rotate it and do it, you're gonna just mess up the cube. And to do that, we're just gonna move the bottom side to where we're doing. Now do the same thing. Now the last one. And now we're done! Congratulations, you solved the cube. If this video did help you out on solving the Rubik's Cube, then please make sure to like and subscribe. This took a lot of time, and so yeah.